The breakup between Ntando Beshe sparked widespread reactions online, and it has now opened a deeper conversations after Bakhe Dlamini finally broke his silence. Instead of focusing on blame or celebrating the split, Bakhe questioned the culture of turning other people's pain into entertainment, noting how some social media users seem excited, judgmental, or quick to offer relationship advice the moment a couple breaks up. He emphasized that a relationship ending does not automatically mean it was a failure, reminding people that at least the couple tried in a world where many are afraid to love or commit at all. According to Bakhe, love remains beautiful regardless of the outcome. Staying together or breaking up does not erase the genuine memories, growth, and emotions that were once shared. His message has resonated with many, sparking debates about empathy, respect, and how society views love, breakups, and the pressure to look perfect in relationships online.